Sebastian by the pinching of Cody Ceci and brought out by Elias Lindholm. Jordan Staal. Aho for the front. There he is. Anderson said no. Little one-arm steer by Aho. Matt Duchesne off the body off Slavin out in front. Collected by Duchesne. Ward said no. Loose in the slot. It kicks out all the way back past Craig Anderson. Carried out by Ottawa's Zach Smith. A good look at him. Here's Pajot. J.G. Pajot off the pad of Ward. Good job by Teravainen. Circling back. Victor Rask is away. Crisscrossing with Teuvo Teravainen just by him. Once in Canada's capital, once here. Out to center ice. Thomas Chabot in the Carolina zone. Out in front off a stick. Ward said no. Burrows to the outside. A quick hitter off Ward. The rebound. A shot. Ward can't get it off the goalpost again. Chabot at the point.
Could be a positive difference.
We are goalless here at PNC. 7 minutes gone in the second period. John Tripp and Mike with you as always out of the corner. Victor Rask holding on to it. Back to the point. Falk. Point to point. Hayden Fleury. His shot. Stopped by Anderson. He'll freeze. Cody Ceci. A heavy hit by Sebastian in front of Mike. And now Ottawa's back out. Mike Hoffman, who has good speed on the off wing. His shot snared. Cam Ward, a dandy.
Tonight,
Ottawa's lost 5 in a row. Carolina's lost 3 in a row at home. Coming off a win in Montreal. Brassard's in. Ward says no. What a stop by Cam Ward on Derek Brassard. Day of play after the All-Star break. Through the middle now. It's carried in by Zach Smith for J.G. Pajot. His shot. They score. Tipped in. Possibly Tom Pyatt. We'll see. If it's the Carolina defender, then the goal belongs to Jean-Gabriel Pajot.
which is a critical time late in the period. Carlson gets it started, and then Smith and Pajot change lanes. And I thought White got a piece. I can tell you this, Pajot has his head up, and it looks like Pyatt is able to get a stick on it. You just can't tell definitively.
Ottawa gets back. Pajot is 7th. From Zach Smith and Erik Karlsson at 18:48. 17 seconds left in the period. Justin Williams, Noah Hannafin, a tip. Anderson robs Victor Rask at the side of the goal. He'll man it to the outside. Carolina's out. Staal, a handoff for Teuvo Teravainen with Aho. Who has it? His shot. Scores! Sebastian Aho! Welcome back! Carolina has tied it.
That Aho is able to get this shot through. And boy, I mean, this will tell you for sure. Definitely gets by Chabot, and then it hits Chabot's stick. So 2 goals, both off of.
He's feeling the game now. Sebastian Aho for Jacob Slavin. Shifting down the wall, a shot off a stick. Wide Staal. Anderson got across on the wraparound. Pesci to the outside. Here's Staal off the skate of Hoffman. All the way back down. Final push here. 17 seconds on the power play. Noah Hannafin through center. Justin Williams crisscrossing. Kick to the outside. Rask, a shot. He scores! Hey, what do you say? Victor Rask, Carolina with a 2-1 lead.
Victor Rask is going to start when he eventually finishes with the power play breakout. Noah Hannafin had drawn the penalty in the first place. Williams has played his best hockey here in this third period. He draws 3, really the attention does Williams, of 3 Ottawa penalty killers. And Rask is able to find the area to the outside.
Teravainen, a self-pass, he succeeds. In the zone, Aho in the off wing, he'll delay. Here comes Staal, right in, off a stick. Anderson the save, it stays out. Back it goes, walking it Pesci, now Slavin. Jacob Slavin, a wrister off traffic. Kick to the wall, played all the way back for Slavin. Under a minute left, through the slot, Ryan. In front again, off Anderson. The Senators get back to it. Hit along by Lindholm, interrupted by Ryan. There goes Anderson. Here come the Senators. Ryan in front, Ward says no on Hoffman. He'll tie it up with 3 seconds left. They situate